Yun mga lurf, dried fish galore. Huy, 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 this, ay, kinuo ko. Malagpot ng sinusundang sa ako. Huy. Pagka, adoy, hindi talaga marunong. Aroy, just thank you.
For what?
Thank you for providing me and the kids a nice house.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
I didn't build it.
Yeah, I know, but you did it. We did it together.
Yeah.
Punta tayo sa bukid. Samahan niyo ako. Sasama daw siya. Samahan niya ako. Meron tayong dalang itak. Ang laki ng itak ni Inday Marian, oh. Kaya kung may magbinuang, kung may magluko-luko doon, kaya nating itak-itakin. Alam niyo ba, pag malaki yung bahay, akala ninyo hindi mahirap. Mahirap to, maglinis. Ang hirap kayo maglinis. Ang hirap. Kaya punta tayo dun sa likuran. Asan na yung asawa ko? Hindi pa naman sanay ito sa bukid. Hindi ito sanay. It's cold, hon.
That's what it is, guys. She's taking me outside and cut my head off in the woods where nobody's here.
Can you just see?
That's what she got. Look at her hand, guys. Seriously. Why is she carrying that?
Hon.
What kind of evil intentions you got in her
You know
hand?
what? Go back. Let's go back because you're like.
Come on.
This is how dirty his mind is.
Cut this off.
Come on, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No. Let's go.
Get rid of some.
Why you think that way? Seriously, look at my woods. The branches that I
Clear this.
the owner. So that's why it's nice to walk in here now. Look, the whole area is clean
No,
up.
our property goes back here.
Careful, huh? You don't know how to walk in the woods. Huh?
Look at the marker.
There's no marker here.
There's a marker for our property.
I think it's just over here. Look.
No. Yeah, the marker should be over here.
Did you even know that?
I was here when the guy put it in, huh? Are you kidding me?
Oh, the guy put it in?
Yes.
And you don't remember?
I don't remember how far it was.
Maybe somebody took it. Come on! Natakot siya, guys. Baka ano daw ang gawin ko sa kanya. Tingnan nyo. Kahit ano nang iniisip. Hey, why you think that way?
What?
That I am gonna do something. Is
Where
that
are you going?
is that how you think of me? I told you to walk here. What the heck? And meron kaming itak. Dahil po, you know, baka may mga kayuti. No?
I cleared a lot of shit.
Huh?
I cleared a lot of shit.
I was here when he's cleaning up last year. I was like hearing all the. Look, this is the back, guys. He really did clean up here, huh? This one is clean up already. He just clean up over there. Look, tingnan niyo yung bukid, mga loves.
You're on somebody else's land here.
Huh?
You're on somebody else's property here.
I know. We're just walking. Exercise.
No.
The house over there.
That's
Look.
White House. I don't know. This is.
Apple and pears. And this is apple also. I think the same owner, no?
Yeah.
Different owner.
Probably the same.
No. It's really a lot of space here, hon. Yeah?
You what?
There's a space here.
Yeah,
People
there's a lot of space here.
People can build a house here. And connect to our,
They need access to the road.
yeah. Oh, they cannot use our land
No.
to access? They have to make a bridge.
Or this is all their land. They can go that way to that road.
Huh?
Or they can go up that way to that road.
Dito na mga loves, nag-start na yung heart attack dito sa mga pinagagawa ni Mister. Talagang hindi ko kinaya talaga. Makikita mo talagang hindi siya sanay sa mga ganitong gawain, no? Uy. You know that's poison ivy.
Dead.
Huh? Ay, gusto nang umuwi mga loves. Gusto niya niyang umuwi. Be careful, ha? You don't, hindi pa naman ito marunong. Tingnan niyo, ang nilakwan, Ang nilakwan, nagpataka-taka arag, Patakag-tikang. Hoy, what's your steps ba? Look at that. Hindi siya, hindi taga-bukid itong taong ito ba? Magpataka arag lakaw. Kalaki. Uwi na daw siya mga labs. Tingnan nyo. Kapandul-pandul na.
Metal.
Yeah, it's a mirror one. Hold on. Let me see. I saw it before. Come on, let me see. Keep going. I know it's not really that far from.
Should be in this
Wait,
area.
be careful with that.
Oh, that's on the knife side.
Hold on. I saw it before. Fuck, smoking. So, naghanap kami sa among mohon ba? Oh, that one,
No, that green thing?
Yeah.
That's not real. It's garbage. Somebody dumped there.
Ay, nako. Yan.
Where's that?
Where?
The little orange piece of
Oh, so it's not really far.
No, that's us.
I thought it was over there.
No, go across, all the way across.
Yeah, it's ours.
Yeah.
Hoy, tingnan mo. Ginuo ko, nagpataka na. Hoy. Hoy, ginuo ko. Malagsak yung ginusundang sa ako ba?
Isn't that what machines are for?
Hoy, that's not how you do it. Wrong. Wrong. Oh my God, hindi talaga ito taga-bukid talagang tawhanang ito. Aray, tinawaran, nagpataka. Aray. Hoy. Tommy. Huh? He wants to live. Sabi pa niya mga loves, yung kahoy daw, gusto pang mabuhay. Gusto pang mabuhay. Tingnan niyo. Huy. Pagka, hindi talaga marunong. Aroy. Just maagtang man ka ba? Adoy, mga tuhod. Hoy, your knee. What's out your knee? So, ginuo ko. Ay, magproblema man ako nito. Problemado talaga ito. Hindi, tanaw, nagpataka ako. Hoy, that's not how you hold it. That's not how you kill. Huy. Adoy, ginuo ko. Sus, maubay, ganyan ba dapat ang isang kamay nasa bulsa? Adoy. What's your knee, huh? That's not really sharp, hon. Uy. Be careful. Okay na, keep going. Tapos ginuo ko. Come on, Tommy. Huy. It's not. It's. I told you it's not sharp. Okay, give it to me. Leave it here. Leave it there. Oi! This is guys. If I am gone, Tommy, put him down. Okay, that is. You scare me. Okay. Tommy, hoy, gino. Put it down, ba? You gonna do your freaking. Na pagkagahig yung ulo ni nga na. Tagaw kay sundang ba? Just ko makuyawan pag anak niya ba unya pag ano diri? Na. You know what you did like this, It's wrong. It will bounce. Sometimes it won't. No. Don't even think. Tommy is not allowed to carry sharp stuff.
Coming from the person who always cut us out and burned us up.
No, you're not allowed. Your knife, give it to me. You can carry knife. Hey, pagkatugnaw. And it's still very cold. Honey, it is cold. It is cold, darling.
Been that way every March for 4 years.
No, it wasn't like this.
It is.
I know it's windy, but it's not like this.
Cold and windy. And damp.
Ay, ang balay. Ang bahay ni Inday Marian. Hey, thank you.
For what?
Thank you for providing me and the kids a nice house.
Okay.
Huh?
I didn't build it.
Yeah, I know, but you did it. We did it together.
Yeah.
Look, people said I don't help you, hon. I don't help you with...
Obviously, they don't watch your blog very often. If they say that, pretty much, they're not watching you anyway. You care.
Okay, let's do na. You're tired na? Huh?
I'm not here.
The neighbor. Ay. My shoes is wet. Hey, your shoes, wipe your shoes here lang. Yun, magluto tayo ng tuyo. Or bulad, or haul-haul, or ano bang tawag din yun sa inyo yan? Tuyo, or basta yun sa amin bulad. Pero yung oil na gagamitin natin is vegetable oil, no? Hindi po ako dito magluluto sa loob ng bahay. Kasi, ang ganap dito is grabe. Manimaho yun tadre, no? Magbaho ang atong balay, mga loves. So, kailangan natin sa labas magluto, no? Sa labas para hindi tayo manimaho. Kasi ang bahay is sarado. Talagang walang naka-open nga, no? Kasi maginaw pa. So, kaya yun. O, diba? Maraming oil. Ito, pang fry lang talaga ito ng tuyo. Ito tayo, mga loves. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Samahan ninyo ako. Luto na yung rice. Tara, hindi po ako i-grill ko sana po ito, mga loves. Isugba. Kaso, sabi ko sa hindi ko magsugba-sugba pa ako na maulan. And then, ginaw-ginaw sa labas. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is yung sa grill. Di ba may takanganan man yung ating grill. Teka muna, ha? Hintay mo na kayo, mga loves, ha? This is kailangan natin i-on. I-on. Open. How to open this? And then, para hindi ito masunog, yan. Ano? Yung dalawa lang naman yung lulutuin ko, mga loves. Kasi ako lang naman. Do you wanna eat some of this? I can add. You sure? Alam ko namang hindi talaga yung kakain. Maginaw. Oh. Maginaw ang kalibutan. So, kunin na natin yung ating tuyo. Tara. Look, maulan na panahon, mga loves. Pangit yung panahon ngayon, no? Kaya hindi makapag-garden si Inday Marian. Dahil po, maulan. So, ang nakapaganda po atong grill na ito, mga loves, kasi meron po siyang lutuan na ganito, no? Yan, meron siyang ganito. So, kapag gusto kong magluto na sa labas talaga, dito na siya. So, ang dami kong lilinisin. Oh, ito yung mga lilinisin natin, guys. You know, ito yun sila. Try natin, ha? Ay, start na. Start na siya. Yun. Yun, mga lords. Dried fish galore. Haul. O, diba? Mabango pala talaga siya. Ito pala yung mga kinakain na, yung mga maamoy mo sa kapitbahay na, oh, magluluto sila ng dried fish. Yung maamoy mo. Ito yun. Ito yun, mga lang. Nang lagsik. Ito pala yun, yung maamoy mo. Han, you can smell it, Han. Look, if I cook it inside the house, you will be, you're not happy. Huh? No. Ano siya? Oh, ito yun talaga, mga loves. Tignan nyo. Look, ito yun. Yun siya. Perti ang amoy. Perti ang pagkaisog. Isog. Sana masarap ito. Tagal na. Ang kinakain ko kasi palagi dito na dried fish is yung dilis at saka yung isa, anong tawag din, yung manipis na isda. Siya. Pero ito matagal na. Kahit nung nandun ako sa Pilipinas, hindi ako nakapabili ng ganito. Kasi nga every time na magpunta ako sa tibong ko na bilihan ng isda, balihan ng tuyo, ayaw ko, mga loves. Kasi alam niyo, ang nangyari po doon is, ang pangit ng mga nila, binibinta. Ang saka ang dumi-dumi pa. Basta kaya talaga hindi ko bumili. Nakabili ako sa mall. May mga ukok na maliit. Bumili pa rin ako tag 600 pa rin man ata yung per kilo. Yan, siyaro ko nito, hindi pa ito maluto. Na ano siya, nabungkid. Ito kong lutong-luto po yan mga loves, no? Ang bango! Ito yun siya mga loves. Ito yung kapitbahay natin. For example, meron yung kapitbahay. Nagluluto sila. And then ikaw, alam nyo naman kapitbahay sa Pilipinas, dikit-dikit. So, ang bango yan. Kalami sa ilang sudan. Oy, humot ka ayo. Mauna siya. Mauni siya lagi. Mao. Let me see. Maujud ni siya ba? Sure ka? Ikaw na? Yun lagi siya. Lasang buwad. Ang sarap. Alam niyo, every time nakakain ako nito, ang ginagawa ko po is, inom ng tubig ng marami. After. Tubig talaga mga lads. Yung sa Pilipinas, masarap ito para sa ano, sabaw, lauoy. Bulang lang ba? Masarap ito Paris. Masarap. Hindi ko makain yung isa. Hindi ko makain ito. Kasi ang isa, tama na. And malaki kasi siya. And also, ilagay ko yun sa refrigerator, sa freezer. Ganito talaga mga lods kapag ikaw lang mag-isa. Kumakain ng ganito. Sabi pa ng iba, pwede naman daw magluto sa loob ng bahay. At maglagay daw ng mga insinso. Insinso ba? Yung mga pangpawala ng ano, magbuwil ng something, ganon. Pero alam nyo, tinatry ko yan. Magbuwil or mayroong mga nilalabas na mga kahit anong pabango sa bahay. Ang walang nangyari mga loves, nandun pa rin kasi po ang bahay po namin is naka-close ngayon. Talagang close siya. Walang open, walang bintanang open kasi dahil po sa ginao. Yun. Kasi kung ano pa, okay yung panahon, open yung mga bintana. Open. So walang makalabas talaga. Mamaya, gulay na yung kainin ko. Buko. Yun na.